Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the McDonald's app to place orders, earn rewards, and get exclusive deals. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to make the most out of this app. Let's get started. First things first, download the app if you have not already. And when you first open the app, you will land on the Home tab. And this is where you will find information about current promotions, special offers, and any featured item that McDonald's is highlighting. You can scroll through to see what's new and exciting. Next, tap on Rewards tab. This section shows any points that you have earned through previous purchases and the reward you can claim. Because the app runs promotions where you can earn points for every order you place, which then can be redeemed for free food or discount. Make sure to check this section regularly to see what rewards are available for you. To place an order for delivery, tap on Mac Delivery tab. Now to access the menu, click on three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and from the drop-down, click on Menu. Now you can browse through the full McDonald's menu. You can select your favorite items and customize your needs. And once you have made your selections, add them to your cart by clicking on this button, and you can view your cart by tapping on this cart icon and can proceed to checkout. If you're looking to dine or grab takeaway, tap on Restaurant tab. This will show you a map of nearby McDonald's location based on your current location. You can also check the operating hours and whether the restaurant offers drive-through or other services. Finally, tap on More tab for additional options like settings, account management, and contact information. You can manage your profile, update your preferences, and reach out to the customer service if you have any issue. And that's how you can use the McDonald's app. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.